So you might be in a situation where for some reason your charging port inside of your Android phone just maybe is faulty or maybe it's not working or something along those lines. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Number one, the first thing I would recommend doing here though is to go through and just make sure that within your charging port that it's not really like a problem with your charging port, but it's a problem with the cable or something like that. Sometimes you might just have an issue where the cable just isn't working or something like that isn't working, per se. So you might want to try seeing if that's not the issue. So try going through making sure that this port down here, if making sure the wire is not the issue or anything like that. Now the next thing what you can do is basically go through and clean out this charging port. Now you can do that by basically going through and essentially grabbing some sort of toothpick or some sort of like non-abrasive material and even like a can of compressed air, you can grab that and you can blow it right inside of this port right here. And that very well could end up fixing this problem as well. So you can go through, I'm sorry it's not focusing, but you can go through and try doing that and seeing if that will end up fixing it. Some sort of non-abrasive material might just be all you're going to have to do. And that's exactly what you're going to have to do here too. So try doing that. You want to see if that ends up fixing it. If that doesn't end up doing it, you might want to see if there's some sort of like software issue that's going through and giving you this type of issue on your phone. Now, what you can always do is you can always wirelessly charge your particular phone. So try wirelessly charging your phone, or you can always try updating your phone. Sometimes that might be able to fix this problem too. So just go through, find the settings application right here. Go ahead and click on the software update panel, which is right here. Download and install. And all you're going to have to do is basically download and install the latest update, and that might end up fixing it for you. So that's basically how that works. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.